Harpy eagles are the largest and most powerful birds of prey in the world. These magnificent creatures live high in the tropical rainforests and prey on arboreal mammals, birds, and reptiles. Harpy eagles are named after the fearsome creatures of Greek mythology and have a truly mythical appearance, with feathers on the top of their heads, talons, and eyes. In this video, we'll share interesting information about the physical characteristics, feeding, mating, and habitat of Harpy eagles. Harpy eagles can reach a height of about 1 meter and a wingspan of up to 2 meters. Females are larger and heavier than males. The average female Harpy eagle weighs 6-9 kg, while a male weighs 4-5 kg.